The Central Bank of Nigeria's Monetary Policy Committee has decided to leave all monetary rates unchanged. The governor of the central bank, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, made the announcement at the end of the two-day rate-setting meeting of the MPC today. He explains that the rates have been retained in order to address the prevailing market risks and enhance the ongoing monetary policy reforms.
The committee assessed the relevant risks and concluded that the economy continues to face elevated risks on both price and output fronts. However, given its primary mandate and considering its limitations of its instruments with respect to output, the committee elected to retain the restrictive stance of policy evoked at its last meeting when it raised the monetary policy rate from 12 to 14%. Conscious of the need to allow these and other measures like the foreign exchange reforms to work through fully, it decided to retain all monetary policy instruments at their current levels. In summary, all 10 monetary policy committee members voted as follows. 1. Retain the MPR at 14%. Retain the CRR at 22.5%. Retain the liquidity ratio at 30%. And retain the asymmetric window at plus 200 and minus 500 basis points around the MPR.